Finally, we have to set the neutral position of the lever. Okay? To do this, we have to adjust the position of this bolt, because the shifter spring, this one, has to work completely synchronized with the gearbox spring that works on the cross cable. In that case, you can see that the gearbox neutral position forces the shifter spring to stay not in its central position. So the neutral in that case is not good, and you feel a smooth movement here when you pull on the left. In that case, instead you feel a high movement when you pull on the right, because on the right both the springs work together. Instead, in that way, they work opposite. So, with the help of a 12 key, simply move this eccentric bolt until you find exactly the center. This could be a good position. Now the shifter works perfectly, both from the left and both from the right, and fourth and third gear works good. Eventually you can lock on the other side that M6 bolt, this one, to lock the eccentric bolt.